Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I pointed out a potential bottom forming near the yellow dashed line at 113,600. Well, that idea got invalidated quickly. We broke down and dropped straight to my next key level at 112,000. If you're wondering how I knew this drop was likely, those lines have been on my chart for weeks. Watching these daily videos will help you build your own support and resistance maps and never miss a key move again. Before today's dip, my trusty long wave strategy flashed an entry at 113,700 on the 4-hour chart. And this time frame continues to be the strongest signal provider in this setup. Now I feel like a Pokemon master collecting all the gym badges, except I'm just collecting entries. I opened another long position at 112,800. This one sits nicely next to my previous entries between 115,000 and 117,000. And get this, just 3 hours after I entered, the price dipped again to 111,900. A whale opened a nearly identical position at 112,800 on Hyperliquid. Great minds, right? Friday's Bitcoin ETF data was brutal. Total net outflows hit a staggering minus $812.3 million, leading the Exodus, Fidelity, pulling out a whopping minus $331.4 million, followed closely by ARK with minus $327.9 million. Even BlackRock didn't step up, but they barely sold anything with just minus $2.6 million. That kind of coordinated outflow pressure? You better watch those charts closely. Beyond the charts, I found an interesting metric. A new chart shows short-term Bitcoin holders are under pressure. The red to purple spikes reflect 24-hour realized losses from Bitcoin sent to exchanges. Over 40,000 Bitcoin were moved at a loss, the same kind of sell-off we saw around July 25th. It's another wave of panic, a potential local bottom forming as weak hands exit. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.